Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Drew Blaze 20 on YouTube, Diablo Rival on Twitch. Today we reacted to Assassin's Creed Valhalla. First screenshots, it might look like gameplay. Let me know down in the comments below. Let's blaze. So these are some of the images we have here. It looks like the in-game images. Right here we see him, they're on a boat and they're attacking the knights. This was the other guy in the, I think, in the trailer. Right here is going to a castle. Right here he's in the he's in a wilderness or whatever. Now he's on a ship. Look at this castle, it's so amazing, guys. These are some of the images of customization that you'll be getting. What do y'all think about it? Assassin's Creed New Valhalla images. Let me know down in the comments below. Looks sick to me if you ask me. Interested, can't wait for Holiday 2020 on Xbox Series X and PS5. Drew Blaze 20 YouTube, Diablo on Twitch. Let's see if we have any more images. Of course, the trailer. And I think that's it. Okay, let's see what he says. Assassin's Creed Valhalla was fully announced today with CGI trailer, but the press release also included the first in-game, in-engine screenshot of the game. Almost certainly composed right and taken during regular gameplay. They give a sense of what the first next-generation Assassin's Creed game will look like. Check them out in the gallery. That's all I got to say. Drew Blaze 20 YouTube, Diablo on Twitch.